Hi, the Snowman. This is EJ Snowman. EJ. What's up, EJ? You make the snowman? Snowman look nice, yo. It's a big ass snowman. Yalla, move over there, from over there. Snowman is relaxing, yo. Yo, this is the snowman. This is New York, Staten Island. Snow today is a heavy snow coming down. What is that? Huh? What you gonna? Yalla, come on, let's run before somebody gonna come out. We can make a big mess. Let's go before the police coming, man. They're gonna give us a ticket for doing this shit. Yo, EJ, that's it, man. That's it, you got it. Oh, shit. Put some snow to stick it. Stick it with a little bit of snow. Take a little bit of snow, stick it with it. Yeah. No, put the stick first. Uh-huh. You got it. What happened to the boss? This is the snowman. This is the snowman. This is EJ Snowman. EJ is my man. He's next door neighbor. Me and him, we make this big ass snowman, yo. What's up, EJ? What do you wanna say, man? Wanna say something to the camera? So you like the snow?
Yeah, it's pretty much a
Ha-
nice snow.
Having fun, huh? Having fun with the snowman?
Yeah.
That's what's up, man. Yalla, let's go. Come on. This is the big ass snowman.
It took like
Take what, like half an hour to make the snowman, right?
half an hour. And first you had to, do a lot of snow and put it up on there. And then you had to roll up the head and then put it up there. And I designed the eyes as you see. And the nose. And then you see the stick and the mouth. And these are the feet down here. It's supposed to be like a shirt, white shirt. It has buttons. These are the hands. His eyes right here. The nose right here. And his mouth. We have no hat, but it shouldn't be. It doesn't need a hat, basically.
This is a snowman. He's not cold. This is his style weather. Snow. Cold.
This snowman, I will name it Sean.
Sean. This is snowman. He named it as Sean. You can call him Sean.
Snowman.
Sean is snowman. Alright. That's it.